let me tell you something. For every single one of you out there, for every single one of you out there that's ever felt like giving up, I'm telling you right now, do not give in to that. Do not give in to that feeling. Because if you give up, then what was the point of getting here? What was the point of all the struggle? You didn't come this far just to come this far. You did not come this far only to come this far. So it's important, brothers and sisters, that we understand that life is not easy. We were created in hardship. This life is a struggle. This life is a test. It is not rainbows and cream puffs and golden paved streets for the 99.99% of us. Giving up is not an option. Giving up is not an option. We have to be able to push past all of that, because all of this is going to go away one day. The day will come when this life will seem like a fleeting moment. When we stand in front of our Lord, He says, how long did you remain in the earth? Our response will be a day, but a part of a day, maybe an afternoon, maybe an afternoon. So it's going to fly by, and time is flying by. When that time comes, you feel like you're struggling. You feel like you can't go anymore. You feel like you don't have anything left in you. You feel like you're at your wit's end. That is when progress is made. Thank you very much for that follow. That is when progress is made. That is when the progress will come to you. Because that feeling of wanting to give up, that feeling of that is your lower self, that is shaitan, that is all of the negativity piling up, trying to keep you from the success that is waiting just around the corner, inshallah. So that is the time when you buckle down and go the hardest. That is the time where you dig very far deep down inside yourself and you push that extra last little bit. I learned this from years of martial arts, years of physical training of my body. I learned that, that there's going to come times where you don't feel like you have anything left in you. You feel like you're at your wit's end. You feel like there's no more left. I'm about to pass out. I'm about to give up. But if you push that little bit farther, if you push just that extra little bit, you'll find that strength. You'll find that energy. You'll find that fire inside of you that you never knew you had. And when you reach that next echelon, that next goal, that next step up, you will realize that you are stronger than you think. You will realize there is more to you than you ever realized. And that is the goal for us today. If you've ever felt like giving up, remind yourself that you came this far, you can go a little farther. You came this far, you can keep going. I don't care how tired you get. I don't care how frustrated you get. I don't care how down you get. I don't care how depressed you get. Just keep fighting. Keep fighting the good fight. Keep fighting. Keep pushing on. That little bit more is in you. I know it's in you. Trust me, it's in you. If anyone can tell you from experience that little bit more is in you when you don't think it's there, inshallah. Make dua to Allah to give you the firmness and ability and strength to keep going. Ask Him for that steadfast heart, what is known as istiqamatul janan. That steadfast heart that you're going to need to survive in this life is the same steadfast heart you're going to need to answer the questions in the grave. It's the same steadfast heart that you're going to need when you stand in front of your Lord. It's the same steadfast heart that will help you to become Ahlu Jannah, the people of Jannah, MGL to the moon. So if you ever feel like giving up, remind yourself that there's more to you. There's more in you. There's more with you. There's more inside of you. You're stronger than that. You're better than that. You're bigger than that. You're braver than that. And keep pushing. I don't care how far you think you've fallen off the path. I don't care how much you've done. I don't care how many sins you think you've committed. I don't care how far astray you've gone. There is more in you than you realize. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, get up, and show out every single day, and you can make it, inshallah. We are not giving up. We are not giving up. That is one thing that when I say MGL to the moon, I mean all of us. I'm not just talking about our Twitch stream. I'm not just talking about our Discord. I'm not just talking about the gaming scene. When I say MGL to the moon, I mean everybody who is a part of the MGL community. We, inshallah, are going to the moon, and that means being successful. That means making it to where we're trying to get. That means we are not going to give up. That means we're going to keep pushing. And as well as over here, we're going to keep pushing for you guys. If there's 2 viewers, I'm going to keep pushing. If there's 2,000 viewers, I'm going to keep pushing and give the value to you guys exactly the same, because we want to see the progress. You have it. I believe in you. You can do it, inshallah. Barakallahu feekum.